going on, world? It's your boy Sean Bennett 618, and I'm back with another video. Look, today, man, I'm finna go get this tint done on the Challenger because I hate riding around like I'm driving around in a fishbowl. I haven't really came up with any idea of what percent I'm gonna go with yet. I guess I figured out on the way there. But look, before we get to this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell right now so you don't miss out any videos in the future. From Who Won't Smoke to music videos to car reviews to shit. Ain't no telling. So just don't miss out on none of this shit we dropped in 2020 because we've been dropping a lot of videos. All right, let's get into it.
Rick, and that is
one day, promise that we will be rich. One day, I'ma start hard in the bitch. One day, I'ma pull up in the wheel. One day, young nigga, I've been the shit. One day we'll be rich, cover me and go.
All right, so let's go ahead. We finna head up out of here, man. Go get over to the place that's doing my tent that I just looked up. Okay, and we gone. Now y'all see, man, look at my back. Y'all see how I got that reddish purple colored tint going on in the back? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. That shit look old, it look outdated. So we finna get that shit changed today. We on our way right now. Stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned because we moving. Subscribe too, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's go. This is different Cant, Texas. We going for that. Yep. So yeah. And then the link in the description too, man. I'm gonna plug y'all in with where I went to, man. This is his phone number right here. Now he don't speak English. Text him. Real talk, text him. That's all his talent. Tell him Sean Bennett sent you. He might not even know who the fuck I am, but you know. Alright. I'm gonna let this man work. And I'm gonna go ahead and chill out, mind my business while he work. Shouldn't take no longer than an hour. I'll be right back. More tint all the way around. 5% tint, so you can't see off in my window. Yeah, it's a 5% tint. No. All right, so look, I got the tint done. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good inside. I'm gonna give y'all that outside view. Mind you, it's daytime. I know it look clear as hell. Like, man, that tint ain't even dark. It's fucking 12:30 in the fucking day, right? You know, keep my jaws. Gotta keep my jaw on me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get out. I'm gonna show y'all the exterior of the car with the new tint on there. This is the 5% limo. Yeah. It actually look good, man. You know what we finna do with this. Coming soon. Yeah, the tint actually look good. You can't really see through it, even in the day. So it's like that black is actually starting to set that silver off. You know what I'm saying? That black and silver thing. All right, I ain't gonna give you all my future plans, but I do have plans to smoke this, smoke all this. We need all that smoke. Respray this. Yeah. And that's how we gonna rock it for the silver thing, you know? All right. And no, I didn't get the front strip. Didn't want that right now. So I didn't get the front strip touched up. Still debating. I don't want to be the typical guy that throw my YouTube channel across the, you know what I'm saying? So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and put it right here. So keep it simple and sweet. Instagram, YouTube, all that shit. But other than that, yeah, we getting it together. This is really like day 2 with the Cali, and we just putting in some work in it early, man. All right, so make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Once again, I can't stress that enough, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I drop in the near future, especially with the challenges, because we about to be dropping them left and right, all right? I'm tired as hell. I've been sitting in the sun for like 2 hours. So I'm finna go ahead and get in the house and get me some food in me, some water, you know, all that good shit. Make sure y'all have a smooth day, man. Make sure y'all have a great day. Make sure it's productive. Always stay high and always stay hydrated. It's your boy, Sean Bennett. All right, YouTube, so look, we back, man. It's nighttime. I wanted to show y'all the tint and how I look at nighttime, because I know I showed y'all in the daytime. It was looking pretty clear, but look, at nighttime, you can't see shit. You can't see nothing. You feel me? So look, I gotta get the rear view camera because I can't see nothing in my back. I'm driving. I mean, I can see, but it's not as clear. But I'm telling you, the 5% limo tint is definitely a must snatch. Gotta snatch that. Definitely look good. And like I said, you can't see nothing.